Hello everybody, and welcome to another of Anita's time and money saving tips. My favorite uncle here, Gaston, is going to help us with this, and this is just a little hack that I have been practicing for many years. Always been challenged by keeping prices down for things that you would normally pay a lot for, like boneless, skinless chicken breast. And in my case, I have some chicken thighs here today that I bought for $1.99 a pound, and these are very easy to debone, but that's not what I'm going to show you today. Many moons ago, before I met a lot of my wonderful Korean friends, I started prepping chicken with my hands and these trusty scissors. And anyway, you can take your chicken thighs and just cut them into pieces like this right off the bone, and they make wonderful strips for stir fries, or for if you're into various things that need strips. It takes a moment to take a bone-in, skin-on thigh to make these strips, and you can cut as fine to the bone as you want to. And in my case, generally it's pretty clean, but then I will put the bones into a little bit of water and boil them. The broth that usually has to go into one of the dishes that I am making. Anyway, in my youth, I also did this with chicken leg quarters. I was a white meat only kind of girl in my youth. I got used to the darker meat, like the thighs specifically, and I find that the pre-cut or pre-cleaned skinless, boneless thighs are usually about $6.99 a pound here in Canada, and so this way, when you find a deal on the thighs, you can prepare your strips very quickly. So this is the result of two thighs here, and I always leave a little bit of fat on because the fat is where the flavor is, and this can be stir fried and seasoned the way you want. I usually put it into my version of the pad thai noodles. For the most part, a pound of bone-in, skin-on thighs will make you a really nice stir-fry dish for a family of 4 to 6 people, depending on how many are in your family. So that is my time and money-saving tip. I hope you liked it. Invest into a good pair of scissors, and beyond that, it takes moments, and you can have boneless, skinless chicken for just a tad of the price of what it would cost you to buy the strips already cut up. This is Anita signing off, and I will see you again. And Gaston and I here say goodbye, and à la prochaine. Goodbye until we meet again. Thank you. Bye-bye.